Grr. Okay, easy, gentle. I got the Vinny.
Yep. Thank you.
Vinny. Careful, he's ready to play.
Aww. What is going on?
Gentle. Watch out for the camera, buddy.
What? Gentle Vinny.
Vinny? Boom. Aww. Hey, don't put your...
Aww.
Now he's sitting in my lap.
Gentle. Good boy. Gentle. Gentle. Gentle, you brat. Gentle. Gentle, Vinny. Gentle. Good boy. Be gentle, yes. Yes. Be gentle. Gentle. Gentle.
So when you blow in his face, that makes him make that noise more?
Yes. Gentle, Vinny. Gentle. Gentle. Easy. Gentle. Excuse me, young man. I just washed my hair.
He's like trying to punch you in the face.
I just washed my hair.
Hey, those are my toes!
Gentle. Gentle.
Okay, I think we are done.